good little fighter. I don't think he's a monster, but he's big. Yep. Oh, come on, baby. He's trying to take me deep, dude. Where are you? Yep, he's there. He's there. Oh, there he is. Oh yeah. I need a net. He's trying to. He's gonna freak out when he sees that boat in about 20 feet.
How deep are you?
I don't know. I'm 33 feet out according to this. Oh, there he is. He's there.
Bring him in.
Yep, here he is. Here he comes. About 18 feet to go. We'll start to dry him up. What to do here?
There he is.
Got him?
There he is. Bring him up.
That's it, dude. That's all I got. Got him? Nice. The back. That's a back. Dude, he's big. I feel like I just caught the biggest fish of my life, dude. Hold on. Dude, he's in the net. I can't.
Here's your.
What?
Okay.
Big Mac.
I can't fit him on the screen.
Well, we need to green double glow hoochie, pulling a herring. Don't know how much he weighs yet, but
Jerf's Big Mac.
Jerf's Big Mac.
First catch of the day.
Yep. Went after the herring, dude. Long ways to go, damn it. Darn it. Dude, we're turning. Try to keep it tight. Oh, yeah, he's there. Way out, dude. It's gonna take me a while. I let loose a little and it came back alive.
We're on. How far?
About 20 feet.
Another Mac.
Yep.
Ooh, this one's bigger.
Is he?
Yep. Okay, hold him up out of there.
Okay. Good idea, too. He's already thrashed. Around his mouth now. Oh yeah, he's a little bigger.
Nice.
Mac number 2 for Jerf.
Nice.
Hoochie herring, same setup. Bouncing it off the bottom, about 130 feet. Shut up, dude. You got one. Come on. Play him. Play him out, dude. They're fun, aren't they?
He took off.
Dude, I saw that. He about pulled you in. He's going to be bigger than what I caught. How far out you think you are?
A long ways.
Yeah, I'll play him. He's just going to wear out. Keep it going. Keep it going.
Man. He's down there.
Is he? He
Yeah.
took you weight. Don't let him get you on the bottom too far.
Still there.
Man, he is deep. Dude, you off the cliff?
He took off.
Dude, he's big.
He doesn't feel that big right now, but
Wait till he
sure
sees the
took off
boat.
in the middle, in the beginning.
He's got you straight down. Look at your line. I gotta get a shot here, dude, but I can't get you in the camera. There we go. Bring him in.
Go kill the boat.
Is he still there?
Oh yeah.
Play him out. Play him out. Still fighting you? Oh, dude, he's definitely there. Look at that. Look at your pole, man. It's got to be getting close, eh?
Hope so. My arm's starting to hurt.
Come on, dude. I know they're fun. Oh yeah, dude. He's tugging you good. Bring him up. You're getting close.
Oh, he's taking off, dude.
Yeah, he's probably close to the boat, dude. He sees us, and that's it. You might want to take him wherever you're gonna take him. There he is.
See him?
I saw a flash. Yeah. Bring him up. Keep him coming. Is he still tugging?
Oh yeah. He's ticked off.
Let me know when you think you got him close enough. Bring him over to the side, I guess. Come on, dude. You got a good fight here.
He's fighting, dude.
Good. Bring him up.
Ooh.
Yeah, he sees the boat, dude. There you go. Let him run a little. Let him run. Not too much.
Oh, holy crap.
Nah, he's close to the boat. Bring him over.
Yeah, he's taking off.
I'm gonna need to get in front of you or something with the net.
Okay.
Or something. Where is he?
Okay, he's getting tired now.
Yeah, he's starting to come up with you. Damn, he's giving you a fight. There he is. Bring him over here.
Oh,
Bring him over. Careful. There you go. You got him. You got him. You got him, dude. Bring him over here.
don't lose him.
Keep him out of your cable. Keep him out of the cable. You got him. You got him hooked good, dude. Bring him in. He's blowing bubbles now. That's good. Holy crap, dude. I can't, dude. Dude, this is a lot bigger than mine. Holy shit, dude. I mean, holy crap. Good God, she is fat.
Hell yeah.
She is full of eggs. Dude, that's a 10-pounder, 12-pounder, easy.
Oh yeah.
Good job. Well, you got her on both hooks and everything. Nice.
Oh man.
Nice. All right. Yeah.
Holy cow.
Dude, she's heavy. She is. That's a pregnant female or something. Holy crap, dude. That's a lot bigger than mine. Nice. Hold her up. I can't get her all in the picture, dude. There we go. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, let's get some better light on her. Get over here, I think. Dude. How was that, huh?
Oh, she was fighting.
Oh, I bet you. Oh, she looked like it. Oh, that's a big fish, dude.
That's the biggest fish I've ever caught in my life, right here.
That's easily the biggest fish. Yeah, she's big, dude. She is big. How do I take a picture? Let me stop. How do I stop it? This button here.